Welcome to Crane Factor. I'm Derek Crane, and we bring you programs, products, and inspiration about healthy living, fitness training, and living an absolutely amazing life. Today we're going to be doing a workout Wednesday. On this, we're going to do 3 rounds of 22 jumping squats, 22 burpees, and in between each round is going to be 30 seconds of rest. Now what we want to do here is have this 4 time, meaning that you want to get through that round as quick as you can. It's going to be a HIIT style workout, high intensity interval training, and we're doing this as a couplet. So from one exercise right to the next, going through all of it, and then taking that 30-second rest, and then going right back into it. Take that 30 seconds rest, finish your last round. We'll go over the standards here. So for the jumping squats, what we're looking for is to be able to hit complete parallel, 90 degrees. You're gonna jump up and land it back down. Every single time you come back down, that's 1. Right into the burpee. Burpee is you're gonna jump back with both feet, do a push-up, jump back up with both feet, all the way up to standing, clapping above head, that's 1. So what we're looking for here is to go straight through, 22 jumping squats, straight through, 22 burpees, as quick as you can. Definitely push yourself here. It'll be a short one as far as the round goes. You'll get that 30 seconds rest. So do this workout. Post your times below in the comments. We'd love to look at it. Definitely share it, and also share your feelings about the workout in and of itself. We have also created a program called Fit 22, where in 22 minutes a day you get an hour's worth of working out. And it's high intensity interval training, all body weighted exercises to be able to get lean muscle, to be able to get that 6-pack abs. There's a link down below. Go ahead and definitely hit that, look into it, enroll in the program, take your fitness to the next level. Thank you for tuning in today. Appreciate you. See you in the next video.